Grants Round 2. My name is Patty Reschberger. I'm the Innovation Fund Manager.
And I'm Eric Fasser, the Solutions Program Manager.
This was the biggest round in the history of manufacturing grants, which made for a very intense selection process. So as usual, thank you for your patience. I would like to acknowledge the effort you put forward in your submission. Certainly, there is always more projects worth funding than we are able to select. Thank you for taking the time, for putting your application in and sharing a little bit of your project with us. It was a pleasure to get through all of them. We'll have more opportunities to share at the end of the video, so stick with us to the end. Let's begin.
Our second award goes to ITAC, which is the MEP Center in New York City, partnering with New York Embroidery Studio, who manufactures personal protective equipment, or PPE, right here in New York State. And as we also saw over the past few years, our supply chain was really not prepared for the surge in demand for PPE when COVID hit. So to help build in that flexible capacity and reduce cost at the same time, ITAC is helping New York Embroidery Studio with an automation initiative. This will be a hybrid approach that uses automation to support the most repetitive tasks in the process, allowing the skilled workers to easily adjust and ramp up production when needed. So the next time there's an emergency and demand surges, a domestic, competitively priced solution will be available.
Unlike the previous team, ITAC and New York's Embroidery Studio are veterans of the program. They've been awarded together before. So Paul, Michael, and Michelle, I'm so psyched to have you back. Nicely done.